with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Miss Daddy, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
See it have this thing like
Yes,
the
like the
Guinean
Guinean
weed.
weed.
Yeah, so Parry, we reach up on mama. Long time reach up on mama. But we there about to do all kind of sitting. We are country people, you see. We do anything. Alright, see what is happening right here, right round at the back. And my pantry door on the outside. This is the vervain. And it look like the intro. How are this Murphy? Look at. Then Akin come out when him a flashing. You know, say, me I go sew him. So this is the vervain. It has the same thing. This is right here. When it dry, you see it petal. So when it dry, these are seeds.
Okay.
So what gonna happen now? I forgot get here so weed up. Look from this when you see all of them are dry, a whole patch of them are going
there,
so and it's the little purple flowers where it have. Yeah, and the Guinean weed is just the same.
Just the same, yeah.
So the Guinean weed is a little different. Guinean weed that tone.
Yeah.
This
Guinean,
so
listen.
no, me never seen it. Me never look if me see the Guinean weed. No.
Me know Guinean.
Yeah. So this is the vervain. So you see when these get dry, all the little fine seeds is all scattered and them just all come up all about. So me have to make sure so me weed up here so and keep it clean. This now, me not see sure from me come. Me no know this look. Me not so sure if this is king of the forest. Me no want to say nothing.
I don't think so.
That look like some wild tree.
Wild tree.
Terence, hold on.
Like a China.
Eh?
Look like China.
When you in China?
You see them tree look like top on it. The blade.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, then them they can't. I don't know. All right. But me go focus on this. So, me have vervain right at the back of my house right here. So you know you can always get a few leaves. So normally you know this a part here you know about the trouble. The part where as you get the seeds you know about the trouble this. You understand? So yeah, this is it. I'm so happy because it they over so. So me so happy to say I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Yeah. So now Uncle Murphy, I catch up. Uncle Murphy, where you going with the gold? Oh, my step this thing. Uncle Murphy, where you going with the gold lady?
I catch up some fire, you know, if you roast some bread shake.
So carry around the shed and make them see what I go on the next clip, then we see that. Yeah, put them there. Well, we not go eat the breadfruit. You eat the breadfruit them with Murphy?
With some chicken back.
Ah, too. We never cook the chicken back from where I come up here.
No, we never cook the chicken
back. A long time. We never cook the chicken back. And we never cook it. Murphy, then the breadfruit, then we have to put them, you have to put them, you have to put them wider.
Yeah, man, that comes spread.
Yeah, so from the breadfruit roasting family, I'll not win us this show. Show fear by Ghana digging. Yeah, so this is, look here. I think, you know, Fisa, these are going to drop me sucker D.
What is what?
What is those? What are those? Me never want you step on that, you know, and you step right in it. If you was just listening to me. Right there.
This?
Yeah. Alright, so.
Me
I have a lot of the ripe pepper them I drop. Me I face them if we get sucker. It seems as if I'm getting suckers here. Put on a mask day. So family, look here. Look, I hope you are seeing all these ripe bird peppers. Me I go get every week I come here, me say me I go pick. Look at the bird pepper tree. This is a blessing, you know. You see? Some people think say I forget money. Okay. And all of them sitting to some people love money, so. Look at the size of the bird pepper. You see the size of the bird pepper tree, this trunk? Yeah. So this is it, and it has so much ripe pepper. So I want to get off all of these ripe bird pepper because these bird peppers are medicine, you see? So, yeah. So me they right around here, so, and this is... Uncle Murphy, what you feel say this thing? Look like grapefruit to me. Paris, see there's one citrus tree, eh? Look like grapefruit to me, you know I see it?
Grapefruit.
Yeah. But boy, in the next clip, Paris, me I go show you what plague we have. We have some slug here in a shell, lad. Mr. Uncle Murphy, if you ever see them, call breadfruit, could the breadfruit? Yeah. A tree there, could tree breadfruit. Uncle Murphy, we're not carrying back no more breadfruit to market, right? Because market wasn't good, the people, and because them sister, we are come from St. Mary with the breadfruit them. Them no want pay no money fee, then we give them it free. Look here, no more breadfruit. Then go and stay up here and ripe and drop off of the tree and mulch up the land as they normally do, right, Uncle Murph?
Right.
Yeah. 1 and 2, we carry go. Yeah. Nobody, when me notice, through that Uncle Murphy had the market and when them go, I trust them, want trust the breadfruit them. Who fi carry breadfruit from we a country? If you got trust people at home. Alright, so we're not going to see them all, we're not going to get them, right?
Yeah.
Right, just like that, right, Uncle
Just like
Murphy?
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna see them, we are roast some breadfruit today and chicken, but not another one for go. Either give in or same.
Come at a present.
No present, no prize giving. No breadfruit prize giving around here. So look here. Them just a go stay there because they might drop off and I mulch the earth. Nobody not pay them no mind. And nobody ask if them no pay.
Yeah, tell
So
you.
we are eat 2 brushes here today and something. Not good Uncle Murphy them just out the whole of the breadfruit and the banana.
Yes.
But you can't make
Martin
them ripe
them are
up
good.
on you,
No.
so you know. Trust out the things
Trust
them
out the
and
things
hide.
them.
After them trust them hide.
Yeah, then pass you and
Them
go on
pass you and go on like
they
them
don't
and
see you.
that was very bad.
Yeah.
So at the end of it, that's how it go. Brush it there, wagga wagga. So Uncle Murphy have the market for the banana. When him carrying banana them,
Yeah.
everything good. Uncle Murphy have somebody will take the banana them, just go drop them off and pick up your money. That good. But the brush, everybody want to trust
Everybody
and beg.
want it.
Yeah. Want it free. Give me a breadfruit because I see I sent me a door for breadfruit. Anywho, that's it. Yeah. No
That's
more
it,
breadfruit
Barry.
prize giving.
No more. You see it?
Yeah, that done. Then turn the right pan drop. I hope I hard work for pick brush it. Me have to pay a time if you pick them. But anyway, we are roasting some breadfruit today. And we are going to make some frog chicken back. That them I look for Tommy if you get acky, but I can't find Tommy. So and that's how we there right now, you know, Uncle Murphy.
Yeah.
Yeah, chicken back in the water, so next clip, Uncle Murphy, we can't even get a machete.
That's
That
it.
shoe gone. Put it the same way, big man. Put it big same way, Murphy. Murphy, man, you broke up the wall, you know.
No, man.
Yeah, so. Uncle Murphy, yeah.
It's a
Yeah,
bump,
broke
yeah.
up. No, man, you can put the same on my box and can't spoil. I can't then. Did make a keen then. Did make it for me, man. So, yeah, put it underneath there, so. So, probably we have some roasting breadfruit and something. I mean, never better roast some more breadfruit here got on, because the you could deep freeze down there full of roast breadfruit in there. Full of roast breadfruit, so we can't even bother with no more here right now. So, when we come up and we can't eat, we eat if we feel
Oh, right.
And that's such the life.
If you have anybody for just
Yeah, if we have two
look
local good friend, we carry
Yes.
for them, yeah. And that's basically it, so. No more selling a breadfruit, you see. Don't
No.
wait for us by half a tree no more.
No.
No.
Not working out.
No. Yeah, the guaco now. You must draw the guaco bush and put it in the water and like you wash like a rock and you make it sod out. And then you use like most of the leaf them all come off now,
Yes.
you know, in the water.
Yes.
So the most stronger part are gonna be like the vine.
The vine,
Yeah. So you use that now and wash your
Wash
body
your
and
body.
scrub all them bump and something. And you not to dry your body, you must make it dry
Make it
and
dry
fine
upon
you.
you, yeah.
You
And
understand?
I'm saying that.
Yeah, cause them not understand. But me you say can drink too, but me never drink it. But me use it like any look, you know, you have some rash
Yeah, one
and all them
sickness
something there.
come out one time. Remember from measles. When it
Yeah,
comes-
measles, you can hear measles
Some
too.
other packs.
Measles, chicken packs,
A chicken pack.
small packs, they haven't seen them. Me not know.
Yeah, something like that.
But look here,
But it
but
come
look here.
with
The
some
measles,
water
they want
upon the
somewhere
skin.
itch you, me they get it when me I pick
Yes.
it. As something will come like them have some needle stick in your body
Yes,
at night time,
man.
man.
I hit here one.
Yeah.
And then you use the guaco bush. I hit to use and
Yes, man, I'm beard.
We
Some
go on a
people,
river called
yeah, but
beard.
some people have liver spot. I mean, if a liver spot are the right name. Yeah, but you see them, the guaco.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah, hear me parry. Me telling you something, you know. Uncle Murphy, just go for my bed.
All right.
Me no want to live back at town for the rest of my life. I yes for the medicine them there.
The whole of
Upper
medicine
country, the
them,
medicine
yeah.
there.
Yeah,
You
everything
understand?
there, but-
And that is not no joke. Right now, you know, Uncle Murphy, you see coffee. Well, I'm not a coffee drinker.
No.
You see, cocoa and them, me not bother with them something, you know. Like every day, every morning, me have my different herbal tea them
Yes.
when me drink. Maybe like once per month,
Yes.
me will make our very rare me will drink like a week coffee. But look here. This them only per ray and tea and me not in a them. Me not in a them because see the medicine them in a place that them just up here just a grow and I go with all kind of things and see you can't stand up. You not even reach 60 and you need a bend up and say if you drink them it now Parry make sure so not drink and look at herbal tea me I tell you know. Me I try you know. So Parry, I put up a video on the Debbie's Jamaican family channel. Okay, Uncle Murph?
Right.
Yesterday. And Dad was transplanting a fern that we found. And the lady said when she see, oh, Dad, I'm an angle little fern. She said, Deb, I was screaming when I saw how Dad was. I said, please don't break it. See it? When me tell her, said, Dad ride rough, you no think a joke me I make. Yeah. I'll put the camera up there in your face. No, Parry, Dad tear off one limb of the little bird pepper tree. That is how rough this man ride. That's why I hear me. I said, Dad, take time, no man. Take time. I don't know, but I come tight in the comment section. You know?
That is a
Rough rider. Me say, Dad, look at, no, put fan and joke aside, Uncle Murphy. Look at the little bird pepper limb. Look at the and their blossom and everything. Una, please comment. Comment about this riding.
All right, Parry.
Hey, so Parry, that they right there, so see. In my dig, we are plant. Me tell us where the car know it. Where know it there? Where tree there? Yeah. From last week. Yeah. My plant know it right here. So we are planted right around here. So for all around here. So. Hey, Dad. Less than a year time. Because them start grow. Them start bear fruit. But there is just something so peculiar about this plant. You see, family. The noni plant. That I don't know if you all know, ever notice it. Once it starts bearing, flowering and bearing, it never stops. Right through 24, 7, 48, 14, it has flowering and it has fruits on it. That is what is so peculiar about this plant. We are going to get mine zinc, you know. We are going to take for all, you have to go show a shoe. They're rich right here, so you know. Right here, some of my mother banana stand used today. Eh, so many memories. So many memories, Parry, of my childhood. Yes, that I plant the other one. So it was 2 trees, 2 suckers that we had there. Dad, that's something I want to dig a little deeper, man. Dig a little deeper. Eh?
It's good.
Because we can't find a machete. Parry, shoe gone with the machete and we not see it. So right there, so. They don't have no dead for dead, you know. Them are catching and have nothing to stop them from. And the soil is so rich, you see it? So when I set my plant them, I could never find them aside that all bad dirt they won't have up the nice in them. Yeah, you saw it? You see? I hope them fall, then I come there and scratch it away, you know.
You don't think so? You don't know still.
Yeah. No, so, you know, so come and fall sometimes, them crosses. Yeah. The dirt rich though, Dad.
Yeah, man,
so Parry we plant it near the gully side. Yeah. To hold the gully, because them something near all road. Now, me want to show you something. So, look at this right here. This is sideway a bow shoe house. A bow shoe house right there, so. And this is a bow shoe edging side from the gully. Not really gully, but just down in there, so. So look at this. Look at all these red petals. These are what we call hibiscus in Jamaica. These are our Jamaican hibiscus. You see them? Yeah. See them there? See them down there, so. We use them bow shoe, plant them along with Aurelia. Yeah. See them there? See bow shoe have it all alongside there, so making edging. So when you see me with the petal, these are the petals that I pick. See what it looks like here. See it without the petal, yeah? See it here? This don't look like sorrel. This is in no way look like sorrel. You wouldn't see sorrel come thick up like that. And also I want to show you. See some of the most vicious plague them we have at St. Mary, yeah? Yes, you're seeing it. These are what we have here. Them are turn we over. We got lots and lots of them. If you have anything that you can tell me how to get rid of them, you can let me know. What kind of something you can buy to get rid of them. Look at them. You see them? And this is Aurelia. Don't you so fat in the see how the Aurelia big? Yeah. This is good for medicine. Me drink it all the while, more carry home some too. So we have these here. Yeah, we have them like, I don't know. So I want to buy something to get rid of them. Like maybe for, I don't know if I'm to spray the plant or something. These are like, we use these as edging. So we have the hibiscus, as me tell you now, and the goats eat this a lot. This is Aurelia, and these are crotons. We have a lot of these. You know, we plant them double for all places where like a breakaway. And see right here, so it look like all one yam there, so do you know see? I must see renter. Yeah. See it down there, so there. Yeah, banana down in a gully, they want to see it. Bless the Lord, coconut the all but me have whole heap of place to clean up. You know, I want to come up here come do to dad. I want to get a day for come up here and come get the place clean. I want to get the place clean up first and come take up some of them coconut there.
Yeah.
But we have lots of young coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah, and reap, you know, just plant them. So, tell me if you know in the comment section, what can I use to get rid of these? When at night, when you come and see them, oh Lord. Paris, we all have one little papa tree right there, so. Yes, I think you have seen it. And see one on the bottom of the papa there. You see them eat down. It was so pretty the other day. Then just heat up the leaf, them and like the tree are dead now. And the little papa can't even strive. See it? And them eat it down to that. So I don't even know. May I forgot try. Ask them what and what. Yeah. Only certain plants them love. What a blessing. It's such a blessing. Every look me look. Banana and breadfruit. Banana, sucker. God, if you could have just opened a way for me get some man to clean up that place here for me, please. But I know you go. I know you go do it for me. Next clip, Barry. Barry, so see what going on in the house here, you know. Herbs of the land. See that the limb of bread pepper with that break down. And then cut out for fever grass. Let me make a cup of fever grass tea, you know. Yeah. So that I go on. Not see show yet, see dad foot there. Uncle Murphy wash the chicken back. I soon show you him and season it up. Uncle Murphy wash it good and be with it good. Hey Parry. You have some people, you know. You know, they come around you. They are around you. Because you let them be. You know.
Your season is.
Yeah, man, just no, I'm not think you should have seasoned it in that. Season up everything in that, man. We want this so well at.
Oh, season up in that?
Yeah, just season up everything in that. Yeah. Yeah, Uncle Murphy attack. So I wish one Uncle Murphy a season up the chicken back first and then I talk to him. I want all I made I would know, I want to know. I want to know say back something in the comment section. So I say, seriously, you know, say, when we are run a joke or two, we are run a joke or two. And when me have hold some serious meds, I hold some serious meds. So, now next week, I'll show you Uncle Murphy I deal with the back here. Long time I take a back, you know, so, brush it and roast and all of them something there, so. I'll catch you in the next clip. So Uncle Murphy angled up the chicken back on a different level. But that's season up with some black pepper and salt right about now. We have put some onion and bird pepper on the car. We da look for try get some ackee, but we need to sit in our bowl show. So we have fry it up crispy and then cut up the onion on it. You know, get it pulled.
That's it, man.
Oh man, alright, yeah, some man has some. How are you get? Oh, go on, Murph. Yeah, man, that good, man. Like you can, you see it, yeah, man. And Uncle Murphy never seasoned the chicken back here. They are little small-minded people. Every man turning at the right eye back door there, so through the grill. So you have some little, you have from time to time, and them I go there, they don't know where I go. Some little small-minded people. I never know if you say that neither, you know. Because they need even come comment something. It no matter to me. And even though I say this, then still I go say something. Yeah, man, the world make up of them. Small-minded, small-thinking people. Think small, say small things, and them I go write small things too, yeah. Hey, Robin up. Rubbing in, a long time you know that in America. Why you get the ladies them going in America? Rub it in, Uncle Murphy. Rub it in, Uncle Murphy. You know, make no extra movement. Somebody else keep your hand on it. Yeah. So, Uncle Murphy has seasoned up with a salt and black pepper. Yeah, man. We are going to deal with it on a different level. Sorry, Uncle Murphy, yeah, man, this more. But me have to put on the chicken back here. Bunch of people with it. We are putting nothing in there, man. Sorry, partner, anybody does it. Yeah, let somebody piece up one issue when you come. You don't know what to find. You can't find it. You need to cover you up there. When you come in, steam right. I mean, I'll let breakfast. You must try to eat breakfast. You don't think you want a breakfast. Mercy, you know where you have to go now? You have to go turn up to eat pan, you know. If you can back up clean and nice, don't mercy.
Yeah, man.
Clean, you clean him up good. You're trying to grow your good boy. Alright, please. When this one fry down in America, not much left, you know. Yeah. But you know, look bad.
No.
No look bad. And we are left him wide open, so we can take up this one. We are going to throw some hood underneath here now. Because we want strong fire to dry out the water. He would say, but me used to it, man. Chicken back. Alright, good. Tomorrow, girl, we can change our sheet, change our bedding. So I go do that there. Good. Big young lady if you do that. Back to basics, back to chatting. In the prior clip you see me there, I went out there and I put in the chicken back. Even though I have my cooking channel, which is my mother channel, which I've displayed over 1,000 cooking videos, Jamaican food, mainly, most, yeah, all Jamaican food. And a lot of people say, oh, Miss Debbie, and they see me as Debbie down a yard in my kitchen with them like a pretty pot and da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That's just a part of me. The original part of me is what you see me go do right there. So, you know, the wood fire, I quench up my eye them, and I put in the chicken back. I have gone out on the journey of life, and I've found, before I went out as a young woman, before I left my mother, I wasn't, maybe I knew it was there, but I was not versed. I did not have the opportunity to cook as I cook now in Kingston. My mother could not, even if it was there then, like I'm not so upgraded. But my luxury, kitchen luxury, was a 2-burner kerosene oil stove. Yep. That was my luxury. And when them kerosene oil stove there, when they go figure blaze, then kerosene oil stove there.
But like that.
A stress. That was my luxury. You want to see me as a little girl, when me clean it down, wash the oil bottle, put in the new oil, trim the wicks, because guess what? Me want it as a little girl a man time before me go to school. If you can put on a little pot of water and make me little tea, fry one little egg when they fold them a lay. Yeah, me want to can't eat an egg when they fold them a lay. My mother never have the money for go buy no egg outside. When they fold them half season a lay, you have to eat bread and dip in the tea. So I don't forget that. And I cannot come now, even though I have the opportunity to cook a different way, I'm a little more upgraded, to see somebody cooking like that and to say, who cooks like that? How could you? Look here, I cannot forget that. Nobody can beat me upon that. You see what I'm saying? And this has been like decades. So I'm just saying this to say, and I've said this so many times, life is a journey. And then some of us on our journey, we got lots and lots of chances and experiences. We make light of them. Some of them saw a lot of people struggle like me. Struggle. Maybe one day I'll give you a little part of my struggle. If not, I'll give it to you in a book. I think I'll give it to you in a book. But I think I want to share with you someday a little piece, just a little piece of it, to let you look at me in a different way, to make sure you say, boy, this woman is not no easy woman, you know, and so much you go through and still standing here. I've been through things that people think, say, me would have did the Outer Bellevue right now. Or I guess they planned it for me, they took the Bellevue. But because I have God and I've been doing good all along, and somebody is listening to this right now and can say amen. And if you can't say it, maybe you're not going to say it, maybe you can't hear, but you can type amen. You know, it's a pretty good journey. And it still is a journey. I'm still learning, you know. I'm still learning as I go. Mostly I'm learning about people, how people are. Nowadays, it's people. It's the people's attitude that are unfolding in my learning process right now. People attitude, how them it unfold right now in my mind. How people operate now. But I'm still learning also how to deal with it and not to take on people. So, I was saying before, a lot of people, same place where you're born, and same place where you play a tree, and you never. Because look here, now because you're born in country, people born and grow a country. When you will come from town and come back, when you come back, if you don't know what you do, they're shame. When you see all them build up themselves and upgrade themselves and live a country. Yeah. You're shame. Enough people me know right now. When me can say, and you have to say, yo, big them up from the bottom of your heart. Big up yourself, man. Me proud of you. Me respect you. You stay in the country and, uplift yourself. Big up, man. Yeah. Enough people that country I live now. And some people are come from town. Script, go and then come, then shame. I come from country, I go and let them better than them. And then check us out. They mind chat them, then take sitting from them. Just showing you. Just sharing. Just sharing. Next clip.